right, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and I am here with the report of my drinking experience for March, as well as to warn you on the worst white wine I have ever had in my entire life. So, March was a decent month. I ended up in the 31 days of March having 36.25 drinks. That amounted to a rate of 1.17. So not as high as January, not as good as February, but all in all, not terrible. I had a few, I guess I would say I was probably, I wasn't going at a great rate at the beginning of the month, but I had a nice 6-day streak of dry days as we got towards the end of the month that kind of evened things out a bit. When I look at the best things that I drank during the month, I think it's a tie between the Montemayor Cabernet Franc, which you've seen on the channel before, and the Bulleit Rye Old Fashioned that I had while I was in Tampa at the JW Marriott bar. And it was just the technique that this guy used to make the Old Fashioned was just flawless, so it came across great. Because I'm not a Bulleit Rye fan, but we put the rye choice in his hands. The breakdown, I'm looking at my spreadsheet over here, 9 cocktails, 7 whiskeys, 8 glasses of red wine. So those were the top categories. Drank a lot of red wine last month, and I think I'm, again, going to try to keep going towards the wine angle. And that 0.25 thing is the result of the Magnolia Grove Pinot Grigio that I had at a cocktail hour during this work conference. At first, I took a sip and I said, "Geez, this is really awful." But I'll give it a little time. Maybe it hit me the wrong way. And I took one more sip and I was like, "No. This is literally the worst wine I have ever tried to consume, and I am not going to do this to myself. I'm not going to finish this glass." And 2 sips. So I marked it as a quarter drink, and I just implore you to make sure you do not ever purchase or order that wine. My apologies. I'm sure the people at Magnolia, I think it's Magnolia Grove, if I'm saying it right. Sure, they're delightful people, but this wine was just it was so bad. I couldn't get past it. That's about it. April's going to start off with a bang tonight, because I'm going to be at the Judas Priest concert in Mohegan Sun. Hey, if you're there, leave a note in the comments and find me. We'll grab a drink. So we're gonna start off April pretty hot, but hopefully it'll even out as we move along. Thanks again for joining, and I'll talk to you soon. It's Chris. I wanted to thank you for joining. I appreciate all of the love that people have been giving this channel over certainly the most recent months. I encourage you to hit the like button, write some comments down there so we can continue the conversation. And I've put a video, a playlist up here for your enjoyment, because I know you'll get some value out of it. And I look forward to seeing you more and more.